Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl, the Ashley Michelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can achieve this everyday perfect fall color and also how to achieve this nice blunt cut hairstyle. So without further ado, let's just get started. Before I get started, I just want to show you guys what the hair looks like right now. It is a dark brown natural color. I'm also going to be using a trash bag throughout the entire process to protect my mannequin head and also the floor. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is sectioning off my hair to make the bleaching process as easy as possible. Next, I'm going to be using the BW2 bleaching powder and mixing that into a bowl with my 40 volume salon care developer. If you are a beginner, I definitely suggest reading the mixing instructions on the back of the products. However, I do believe it is a 2-to-1 ratio, using 2 scoops of powder per 1 scoop of developer. But I am trying to achieve a cake-like batter consistency so that way when I apply the bleach, it is not running off of the hair. Throughout the video, you all will see me using both vertical and horizontal strokes when applying the bleach. Alright, now this is the part where you definitely need to stop what you're doing and pause the video and take your notes, sis. Notice that I'm only using the vertical strokes at the top of the wefts closer to the roots. This is going to help the color transition or blend into the hair and give that ombre effect, and also help your wig look like you went to the salon and got it done. You know that your wig is done bleaching once you can see the blonde hairs. However, I do not recommend leaving the bleach on for an extended period of time. You will damage the hair and have some burnt toast crunchy hair. After completely rinsing out all of the bleach, apply a neutralizing shampoo to stop the bleaching process. Keep applying the shampoo until the water rinses out completely clear. This actually is the most important step because if you do not do this, you could end up with your hair on the floor and not on your wig. Next, I will be applying the Purple Shimmer Light shampoo to tone the wig. Toning the wig ensures the colors will actually be the colors that you want and not be too harsh or brassy. Again, rinse the hair out until the water is completely clear. Lastly, I'm going to be deep conditioning the hair overnight with the Aussie conditioner. If you do not have time to condition overnight, you can condition your hair for 30 minutes to an hour. Now I'm going to apply the color weft by weft, and I'm going to be using foil to separate the wefts to ensure that the colors do not mix and I can achieve the color combination that I want. After rinsing out the color and lightly conditioning the hair, I'm going to apply both an oil and an oil moisturizer to the hair before I blow dry it. This will help the hair be nice and soft after styling. And now I'm going to be using my comb to guide me while doing this blunt cut. Now I'm not a professional, but this definitely will help you get a nice even cut. Lastly, I'll be taking my curling iron throughout the entire wig and adding a little bit more body back into the hair, and this is the final results.
Alright y'all, so this is how the wig came out. These are my final results. I am so in love with this wig, like y'all. Well, if y'all look at that before, this is like a whole different, completely different wig now. Like, I really am so proud of myself. I did so good, and this was actually also my very first time cutting my hair into like that short blunt bob look. So I definitely like how it framed my face. I really like that. And I'm gonna try to get close so y'all can kind of see the colors, the different colors. I know it's picking up a little dark on camera, but I do have the two different variations of the two colors that I use, as well as still keeping with that black root. I wanted to make this unit very like everyday wearable for me, so I think I did a good job. I think I did a good job. So definitely y'all leave me comments down below of what y'all thought about this hair color. And also let me know also in the comments like some things that y'all do as far as like bleaching hair and everything like that. But everything that I showed y'all in the video definitely helped my hair to stay soft and moisturized. Like, you know how sometimes when you get hair and you bleach it or dye it, it gets all crunchy and it doesn't really like have any body or shape to it anymore, and it's just hard and crusty and you don't want to wear it. That is not what we got right here. Okay, so definitely if you follow all the steps that I showed y'all in the video, you'll be able to dye your hair any color So y'all, that is all that I have for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this hair tutorial, and definitely let me know if y'all are gonna try this hair color out. Don't forget to tag me in your post. If you do, I will leave all my social media handles down below in the description box. Also, I am gonna leave the links to the website that I got this hair from, so that way if you want to purchase this hair yourself, you can. And also, y'all already know, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But most importantly, y'all remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay popping, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.